Hello and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to see how to install Python and one basic program. Okay. So we'll first see how to install Python in our system. Okay. So very first just open Chrome and just type install Python. Okay. So there is very first link, that is download Python. So when you click on that, so you can see there is a button that is download Python. So right now the latest version is 3.10.2, so it's showing me 3.1.2 at this time. So I'll just click on this version. Okay, so you can see the Python exe file is getting downloaded. Okay, so I will just click on that now. So I just clicked on that exe file which got downloaded. Okay, so okay, so you can see the installer is getting open. Okay, so now I'll install this. So just check this checkbox actually. So that is add Python 3.10 to path. Okay, so that is actually add the path variable in your path directory actually. So I just check that checkbox and install now. Click on install now. So you can see here I selected as yes. So it is now getting installing. So this is very simple process to install Python actually. So yeah, you can see it's almost finished. So you can see there is setup was successful. Okay, so you can close this window. Okay, so you can minimize this. So now you can just click on start button and just search for Python. Okay, so you can see the Python is there, Python 3.10. so you just need to click on that Python 3.10. okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so Python 3.10 is installed. Okay, so now to check is it correctly installed or path variable is correctly set, so just open the command prompt. Okay, just run and write cmd, open the command prompt and just check the version of your Python. Okay, so there for that you can just need to write py python -- version. Okay, so you can see the Python 3.10.2 is installed on this system now. Okay, so this is just simple installation steps to install the Python in your system. Okay, so now we will just see the basic program, that is hello world program in the Python. Okay, so this is very quick example, programmatic example for us. Okay, so what I will do now, so I will just open any notepad. Okay, just open. So there is no there is not required any separate IDE to run this Python actually. So I just open the simple notepad. Okay, and I just write one print statement. Okay, print bracket hello world. Okay, so this is just a program, that is I'm just printing hello world. Okay, so what I am doing is I'm just clicking on file and save it as, okay, first dot py. Okay, so the py is the extension of for the Python file. Okay, just like in HTML there is .html you are going to save, so just like this for Python you just need to write .py. Okay, so I'm just saving it on the desktop now. So save, so you can see the first is over here. Okay, so now to run this file, so I just need to go to the command prompt again and just write a command as python dash first dot py. Okay, sorry, I just need to navigate first to the desktop actually. So just a minute. Now we are at the desktop location. Okay, so to run this file, so run this first Python file, so just need to write a command like python space first dot py. Okay, so you can see the hello world is printed over here as output. So you can again see our code that is just print hello world, and you can see there is a hello world printed in our command prompt. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. So please subscribe my channel, like the video, and please share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.